663 382 663
All right, I'm here at BlackThorne with Joe Mulligan. What's up, Joe?
What's happening?
How are you?
Good, man. How you doing?
So people ask me how I'm doing with my weight loss. So basically, I think Jim Barr's in the car over there eating cheese. All right? I caught him eating a bag of, like this big of provolone. So I went over there and I ate some with him.
Of course you did.
Bottom line is, I had a couple of burgers.
I had a couple of burgers.
Yeah.
And a hot dog.
And a hot dog, right?
And how many did
Got
you
a hot
have?
dog.
No, 3 burgers, 2 hot dogs.
Oh,
There you go.
what I'm scared about though is I saw Jim Barr walk in. He went towards the burgers, but then I saw him walk out empty-handed. So I don't know.
I don't
think
know,
I'm screwed.
man.
I don't know. I feel fat today too, so I don't know.
We might have to walk around the
Water
grounds.
retention.
Yeah.
Walk around the grounds
You know,
once.
I'm
Couldn't
not
hurt.
fat. I'm just big boned. You know what I'm saying? So,
That's what she said.
it's water weight. It's all water
There you
weight.
go.
What do you think? You have faith in me?
Absolutely.
Do you?
Yes.
You have faith in me?
Who?
Yes.
You have faith in me?
Oh, of course.
Remember, I put down $1 a pound. You guys lose each. That's how much faith I have.
Yeah?
With no limit.
$1 a pound.
With no limit.
Shit, I might owe you money at the end of this.
It's possible.
All right, well, we're up in BlackThorne having a blast up here. This place is gorgeous. The whole grounds is gorgeous. There's a BlackThorne Resort in New Durham, New York. I'm sorry, East Durham, New York. So you guys should check it out. We out.
Peace.